everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class we will do question number 2 from exercise 1.3 of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So we have to estimate these sums to nearest hundreds and also to nearest tens. So we have given 4 questions A, B, C and D. We will do question number A first. So 439 plus 334 plus 4317. We have to give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also to nearest tens. So first we will do to nearest hundreds. So rounding off to nearest hundreds, rounding off to nearest hundreds. We have to round off these 3 numbers and then after rounding off these 3 numbers we have to add them. That will give the rough estimate of the sum. Okay, so this will be rounded off to see 439 lies between 400 and 500. Okay, see 439 lies between 400 and 500. But what is the middle number for 400 and 500? It is 450. Okay, and this 439 is less than 450 and it is closer to 400. So this 439 will be rounded off to 400. This is rounding off to nearest hundreds. So this 439 rounds off to 400. Okay. Now 334. This is 334. It lies between 300 and 400. What is this is 334. And what is the middle number for 300 and 400? It is obviously 350. But this 334 is less than the middle number and it is closer to 300. So we will estimate this. We will round off this 334. This 334 will be rounded off to 300 to nearest hundreds. Okay. So 334 rounds off to 300 because it is closer to 300. Now comes 4317. Okay, this is what is the hundreds place? Ones, tens and hundreds. So this hundreds, this 300, this lies between 300 and 400. Okay, and the middle number for this is 350 and 317, which is ones, tens and hundreds. We are taking only up to hundreds place because we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. So this 317 is smaller than the middle number and it is closer to 300. So it will be rounded off to 300. So this 4004 will remain as it is because we are rounding off to nearest hundreds. So we will focus on up to ones, tens and hundreds place. Right? So 4317 rounds off to 4300 because this 317 is rounded off to 300. So this 4300, this number will be rounded off to 4300 to nearest hundreds. Okay, we will not see this 4. We will not do anything with this 4 because we have to deal only up to hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds because we have to round off till 200s place. So we will not go for that. Okay. So now what we have to do, this is sum. We have to add these two. So after rounding off after rounding off each number, this number is rounded off to this number is rounded off to this, and this number is rounded off to this to nearest hundreds. After rounding off each number, we have to add it. That will give a rough estimate of the sum. Okay, we are not adding directly. See, we are not going to add it like 439 plus 334 and 4317. We are not going to do this addition. This is the direct and the actual addition. We are not going to this. We are doing a rough estimate of the sum. We are rounding off this number, okay, and then we are adding. In rounding off, what happens? See, when we are rounding off to nearest hundreds, the ones and tens digit becomes 0. See, we have rounded off to nearest hundred, ones and tens digits become 0, ones and tens digits become 0, ones and tens digit becomes 0. So when we round off to the nearest hundreds, the digits before the hundreds place becomes 0. That is, ones and tens place becomes 0 when we round off a number. For example, if I tell you to round off 502 to the nearest hundreds, so it will be rounded off to 500. Okay, because the nearest hundreds for this is 500. So it is, this 502 is rounded off to 500 to nearest hundred, and after rounding off, what happens? 1 and the tens digit becomes 0. Okay, or if I say 411, round off this number, what will be the answer? Rounding off to hundreds, it will become 400. Okay, this 411 is rounded off to the nearest hundred and it becomes 400. What happens? The ones and the tens digit becomes 0 after rounding off to the nearest hundreds, means because the digits before the hundreds place becomes 0 when we round off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so now let us come to our question. So now we have to estimate the sum. So estimated sum. Now we will add it all. Estimated sum. We have to add these. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 3 zeros, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 carry, this is 4 plus 1, it is 5. Okay, so it is 5,000. The estimated sum is 5,000 when we are rounding off to nearest hundreds. Now the other part is, and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Now we will do, so understood this part. Now we will round off, now we will do a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So let us see. Now the other part is rounding off to nearest tens. See. So what it will be? So this was the answer for rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Now we will find what is for nearest tens. See, this is ones and tens. The same number we have to round off to the nearest tens. Ones and tens. Okay, see, this is, so we will take only up to tens, ones and tens. These two digits only we will take, which contain ones and tens places, only up to tens places. So this is 39. This lies between how many tens? 30 and 40. 3 tens and 4 tens. Okay, this is 3 tens and this is 4 tens. 39 lies between 30 and 40. Okay, and the middle number for 30 and 40 is 35. See, this 39 is greater than the middle number and it is closer to 40. So 39 will be rounded off to 40 when we are rounding it off to the nearest tens. So it will be rounded, 439 will be rounded off to this 39 will be rounded off to 40. It means 439 will be rounded off to 440 because 39 is rounded off to 40. So rounding off to nearest tens, 439 rounds off to 440. Now 334. Okay, 334. So we are rounding off to the nearest tens. So we have to take only ones and tens digit. This is again 34. Okay, 34 lies between 30 and 40. These are the tens. 3 tens and this is 4 tens. 34 lies between this and the middle number for this is, the middle number for 30 and 40 is 35, and this 34 is less than the middle number, so it is closer to 30. So this 34 will be rounded off to 30, okay, because it is closer to 30. So this 334 will be rounded off to 330 because 34 is rounded off to 30. Now 4,317. So what we have to see when we round off to the nearest tens, we have to look for ones and tens digit. It is 17. The number becomes, if we look for ones and tens digits, the number we get is 17, and it lies between 10 and 20. Okay. So, and the middle number for 10 and 20 is 15. Right? 15 is the middle number for 10 and 20. And 17 lies after 15, means it is greater than this 17 is greater than the middle number, and it is closer to 20. So 17 will be rounded off to 20. Okay, to the nearest tens. So what happens? This 3 will remain as it is, and 17 is rounded off to 20 to the nearest tens. See, again, when we are rounding off to the nearest tens, the ones digit becomes 0. See, the ones digit becomes 0. The ones digits become 0 when we round off to the nearest tens. When we round off to the nearest hundreds, ones and tens, both the digits becomes 0. Now what we have to do? We have to get the sum, estimated sum, because addition sign is there. So we have to find the estimated sum, and we have to add these all estimated, these all rounded off numbers. These all rounded off numbers we will add, and we will get the estimated sum. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 carry, and this 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is the estimated sum? This is 4,000, 5,000. This is 5,090. So what was that? When we rounded off to the nearest hundreds, the answer was 5,000, I think. And now when we rounded off, when we estimated by rounding off to the nearest tens, the answer becomes different. Okay. So this is the answer for rounding off to the nearest tens. So understood? Now let us do the B part. What is there in the B part? 1,08,734 minus 47,599. So we will not do the actual subtraction. What we will do? We will find a rough estimate of the difference, by rounding off to nearest hundreds. So first we will do rounding off to nearest hundreds. Rounding off to nearest hundreds. Okay, so we have to take ones, tens and hundreds. The digits at ones, tens and hundreds. It is 734. It lies between 700 and 800, right? The middle number for 700 and 800 is 750, and this 734 is less than the middle number, and so it is closer to 700. So this will be rounded off. 734 will be rounded off to 700. So this number will be rounded off to, see, rounding off to the nearest hundreds. So we will take only these three digits, ones, tens and hundreds places, the digits at these three places. So this number will be rounded off to 1,08,734. Rounds off to how much? This is rounded off to 700, because here we are rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so these three digits will remain as it is, 1, and this becomes, after rounding off, it becomes 700. Okay, and this one, 47,599 by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. So we will take ones, tens and hundreds digit. 5, the digit which is at ones, tens and hundreds. Up to hundreds place we will take the digit, and this becomes, the number becomes 599, 599. This lies between 500 and 600. Okay, and this is 599. This lies between 500 and 600. The middle number for 500 and 600 is 550. Okay, and this number is greater than the middle number, and it is closer to 600. So it will be rounded off to 600 because it is closer to 600 and it is greater than the middle number, because this lies between which hundreds? It lies between 500 and 600, and this is closer to 600. It is greater, this one is greater than the middle number, it is closer to 600. So it will be rounded off to 599, will be rounded off to 600. So when we round off this number to the nearest hundreds, this will be rounded off to, see, 47599 rounds off to 47 will remain as it is, because we have to do rounding off to the nearest hundreds, and this is rounded off to 600, just now we saw. So this is 47,600. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to write it like this: 47,600. Okay, now there is minus sign in between, so we have to get a rough estimate of the difference. We have to get the rough estimate of the difference. So we have to find the estimated difference. Estimated difference we have to find. What will be that? We have to subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1. This becomes 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, and this is 0. So this is 61,100. So what is the estimated difference? This is this, and this is the answer. What we did, when we have to get a rough estimate by rounding off to the nearest hundreds, we will round off each number separately. We will round off to the nearest hundreds. This also is rounded off to the nearest hundreds. After rounding off both the numbers to the nearest hundreds, then we will subtract, and then we will get the estimated difference, and this is the estimated difference. Okay, this is not the actual difference. If we have to find the actual difference, we have to subtract this from this directly, and then we could have got the actual difference between these numbers. But we have got the estimated difference. When it is estimated, when the numbers are rounded off to the nearest hundreds, then the estimated difference is this. Okay, so understood this? So now we have done rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Now we will estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest tens. So to the nearest tens. Rounding off to nearest tens. See, now this number has to be rounded off to the nearest tens, and this number also has to be rounded off to the nearest tens. After rounding off both the numbers, we will do the subtraction that will give the estimated difference when the numbers are rounded off to the nearest tens. But before that, we have to see how to round off the number to the nearest tens. So we have to take the digits up to tens places, ones and tens places. These are the digits, ones and tens, and this number makes 34. So 34 lies between 30 and 40. Okay, these are the tens between which this 34 lies, and since we are rounding off the number to the nearest tens, we will take the digits up to tens places, ones and tens, up to tens places. We will not go beyond that. Okay, so this 34 lies between 30 and 40. These are the tens between which this number lies, and the middle number for 30 and 40 is 35, and 34 is less than the middle number, that is 35. It is closer to 30. So 34 will be estimated to 30. 34 will be rounded off to 30. So what it will be? See, now rounding off to the nearest tens, this rounds off to 1,08,734, rounds off to 1,08,730, because this 34 is rounded off to 30. So up to 7 we will write the number as it is, and this 2 digits we will write the rounded off number. The rounded off number is 30. Okay, and now this number. So we have to round off this number to the nearest tens. So what we will see? We will take the digits of ones and tens places. These 2 digits makes 99. See, these digits makes 99. 99 lies between 90 and 100. Okay, 99 lies between 90 and 100, and the middle number for 90 and 100 is 95, and 99 is greater than the middle number and is closer to 100. So 99 will be rounded off to 100. Okay, now 99 will be rounded off to 100. So how to round off this number now? See, this is 47599. Okay, and this 99 is rounded off to 100 because it is closer to 100. It is bigger than the middle number and is closer to the 200, so it is rounded off to 100. So this 99 is rounded off to 100. So what we will do? This 99 becomes 100. So 0, 0 and 1. 1 will be there because it has become 100. So 1. This 1 plus this 5 will be 6. This 7 will be as it is, and this will be 4. So understood this one? See, 99, this is rounded off to 100. It means it becomes 100. So it means 0, 0 will come and 100 has 1. We write 100 like this, right? So 0, 0 we have written, 1 is there. So this 1 will go and it will get added to 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 as it is, and 4 will be as it is. So this 47,599 rounds off to 47600. When this number is rounded off to the nearest tens, this gets rounded off to 47,600. Okay, now what we got? We have rounded off the number to the nearest tens. See, these two numbers, this number is rounded off to the nearest tens, and we got this. This number is rounded off to the nearest tens, and we got this. So these are the rounded off numbers. Now we will do subtraction. We will subtract these two numbers because subtraction sign is there. So estimated difference will be what? We have to do subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. And this becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is this one. So it is 3 minus 0 is 3 minus 0 is 3, and 7 minus, yes. So it is, the estimated difference is 61,130. Okay, so understood this? This was the answer. Now let us do the C part. Rounding off to nearest hundreds. So we have to get the rough estimate by rounding off to the nearest hundreds first. So rounding off to nearest hundreds. So what we will do, we will see the digits up to hundreds place, ones, tens and hundreds place. These three digits we will see because we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. 325. This lies between 300 and 400. Okay. The middle number between 300 and 400 is 350. Okay, and this 325 is less than the middle number and it is closer to 300. So this will be rounded off. This 325 will be rounded off to 300. So this number will be rounded off to, so this 3825 will rounds off to 830. 0, 0, because this 325 is rounded off to 300. 8 will remain as it is because we are rounding off to the hundreds place. Okay, and 491 rounds off. This number also has to be rounded off to the nearest hundreds. These two numbers we will round off to the nearest hundreds, and then we will do the subtraction. So 491 rounds off to how much? See, this 491 lies between 400 and 500. Okay, and the middle number between 400 and 500 is 450. And this 491 is greater than the middle number and it is closer to 500. So this number will be rounded off to 500. 491 will be rounded off to 500. Okay, so this number is rounded off to rounds off to 500 to the nearest hundreds. So what we will do now? We will do the subtraction. We will subtract this from this. So what will be that? That will be the estimated difference. Estimated difference. Estimated difference is equal to this. Now we will subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 5 not possible, so we will take one carry. 13 minus 5 is 8. This becomes 7. So it is 7,800. The estimated difference is 7,800. We rounded off this number. These both the numbers are rounded off. This is rounded off to this. This is rounded off to this. And after rounding off, we will do the subtraction. That will be the estimated difference. That will be the estimated. This is the rough estimate of the difference between these two numbers. This is not the actual difference. If we subtract this 490, see 491, if we subtract it from 8325, you will get a different answer. Try and check this. You will get a different answer if you actually subtract this from this. But what we have done, we have estimated the difference. We have got a rough idea that if we subtract this from this, the difference between these two will be approximately this. The difference will be around roughly this. Okay, this is not the actual difference. This is the estimated difference. The actual difference will be what? What you get after doing this subtraction. So this is the estimated difference, a rough estimate of the difference. So understood? So now what we will do? We will do this by rounding off to the nearest tens. This we have done by rounding off to nearest hundreds. Now we will do by rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay, and then we will get a different answer because we will round off to the nearest tens. So what we do when we round off to the nearest tens? We look at these two digits, ones and tens. These two digits only we look. It is 25. This lies between 20 and 30. Okay, 20 and 30. And this is the middle number for this 20 and 30. The middle number is 25. So it will be rounded when we have to round off this number. So then what we will do? It will be the middle number is rounded off to the next number. So 25 will be rounded off to 30. Okay, if the number is less than 25, it is rounded off to 20. And if the number is more than 25, it is rounded off to 30. But if the number is 25, it is rounded off to the next number. So 25 is rounded off to 30. Okay, if you have to round it off, we will round it off to 30. So what it will be this rounds off to 8330. Okay, and this number 491. We have to round off this to the nearest tens. Then what we will do? We will take these two digits. These two up to tens place, we will take the digits. The number becomes 91. This 91 lies between 90 and 100. Okay, and it is closer to 90. See, this lies between 90 and 91 lies between 90 and 100 and the middle number is 95 and it is smaller than the middle number and it is closer to 90. So this 91 will be rounded off to 91 will be rounded off to 91 will be rounded off to 90. Okay. So what will it will become? This rounds off to 490. This 4 will remain as it is and 91 is rounded off to 90. Okay, so this 491 rounds off to 490. Now what we will do? We will do the subtraction, the estimated difference we will find. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 9 not possible, so we will take one carry, it will become 13 minus 9 which is 4. This becomes 2, 2 minus 12 minus 4 is 8, this becomes 7. So it is 7,840. The estimated difference is 40. When we got the closer estimate of the difference of these two numbers, when the numbers are rounded off to the nearest tens, the estimated difference is this. Okay. So understood, this is the estimated difference when the numbers are rounded off to tens. This is rounded off to the nearest tens. This is rounded off to the nearest tens. Okay, so it is the estimated difference is this. This is the answer. Now let us do D part. So we will first round off to the nearest hundreds. Rounding off to nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. We will see the digits at ones, tens and hundreds place. We will see these 3 digits because we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. So up to hundreds place we will take the digits and this number become 348. This lies between this 348 lies between 300 and 400. The middle number between 300 and 400 is 350. 348 is smaller than the middle number and it is closer to 300. So this 348 will be rounded off to 300. Okay. So this number will be rounded off to 489,348 rounds off to, because when we are rounding off this number to the nearest hundreds. Okay. So this rounds off to 4893. See, this number rounds off to this when we are rounding it off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so we don't have to focus on these 3 digits, the other digits. We have to only focus up to ones, tens and hundreds places. And this we have rounded off this to 300. So this number is rounded off to this. Okay. Now this one 48,365, we have to round this off to the nearest hundreds. Again we will focus on this 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds place digits. What is that? It is 365. This lies between which hundreds? We have to round off to the nearest hundreds. So we will only focus on hundreds. It lies between hundreds. Which hundreds? 300 and 400. The middle number is 350. For 300 and 400, the middle number is 350. And this 365 is greater than the middle number and it is closer to 400. So to which nearest hundreds it will be rounded off? It will be rounded off to 400. It will not be rounded off to 300. It is closer to 400, so it will be rounded off to 400. Okay. So 48,365 rounds off to 48,000. This is rounded off to 400. Okay, now what we will do? Now we will do the estimated difference. We rounded off the number. We rounded off both the numbers to the nearest hundreds and then we will do the difference. We will do the subtraction. So that will give the estimated difference. Estimated difference. What will be that? We have to subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 4 not possible. So we will take one carry. It will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. It becomes 8. It becomes 8. 8 8 minus 8 is 0. Again 8 minus 4 is 4. This is 4 minus 0 is 4. So it is 4,40,900. The estimated difference is this one, 4,40,900. Okay, we rounded off the number to the nearest hundreds and then we subtracted it and we got the rough estimate of the difference of these two numbers. Okay, now let us come to the tens. Here we rounded off to hundreds, now we will round off to the nearest tens and then we will see what is the difference between these two numbers. Okay, so to round off to the nearest tens, what we do, we look at these two digits, ones and tens digit. This makes 48. This 48 lies between which tens? It lies between 4 tens and 5 tens, 40 and 50, right? The middle number is this 48 lies between 40 and 50. The middle number for between 40 and 50 is 45. And this 48 is greater than the middle number and is closer to the 50. So this 48 will be rounded off to 50. So this number will be round to the nearest, when we are rounding off to the nearest tens, it will be rounded off to 4, 8, 9, 3 and this 48 is rounded off to 50. So we will write that 50 and before these two digits, all the digits will be same as it is. Only when we are rounding off to the nearest tens, we have to focus on the ones and tens digit. This is rounded off to 50. So we have written there 50. The other digits are as it is. Okay. Now this number will be rounded off to, see this number will also be rounded off to the nearest tens. So again we will see only these two digits, ones and tens digit. This is 65. This lies between which tens? It lies between 60 and 70. Okay. And this one is the middle number. So the middle number is rounded off to, see, as it is middle, it is at the same distance to 60 and the same and is at the same distance with 70. It is middle. The distance between these two is same. The distance between these two is same. So to which number we will round it off? Will it be rounded off to 60 or will it be rounded off to 70? It will be rounded off to the 270. It is the rule or a general convention we use. So the middle number is rounded off to the next number, the bigger number. So 65 will be rounded off to 70. 4, 8, 3, 7, 0. Okay. See the digits before this will be as it is 483 and this 65 is rounded off to 70. So we have written it 70. Now we will do the subtraction. We will estimate the difference because this is the rounded off numbers. We have rounded off this number to this and this number is rounded off to this to the nearest tens. In this problem it is tens. Earlier we did to the nearest hundreds. So now we will do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 7 not possible, so we will take one carry. 15 minus 7 is 8. This becomes 12, 12 minus is 9. This becomes 8, 0. This is 4. This is 4. So this is 4,40,980. This is the estimated difference. When the numbers are rounded, when these two numbers are rounded off to the nearest tens, these numbers become this becomes this becomes this, and then we have estimated the difference. See, when we are rounding off the number to the nearest tens, the ones digit becomes 0. See, the ones digit becomes 0. Here the ones digit was 8. When we rounded off this number to the nearest tens, the ones digit becomes 0. Here, when we rounded off this number to the nearest tens, the ones digit becomes 0. This is the rule. When we round off to the nearest hundreds, when we round off the number to the nearest hundreds, ones and tens digit becomes 0. Okay, so this was the answer we have done by rounding off to the nearest hundreds and also to the nearest tens, and we have seen what is the rough estimate of the difference of these two numbers. Okay, so understood. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. Okay, in the next class we will do the next question, question number 3 of the same exercise 1.3. Till then, take care, bye.